How to slow walk in Marvel Rivals. I'm going to tell you how to slow walk in Marvel Rivals. Right now, it's not natively possible on keyboard and mouse. The game only supports analog input for slow walking, which means you'll need a controller. Gently tilting the left stick lets you walk instead of run. On PC, WASD keys are full speed only. No in-game setting changes that. Some players use mods to get around it, but that's risky. Marvel Rivals runs asset checks, and tampering with files could get you flagged or banned. If you really need slow walk, a controller's your safest bet for now. But if you are really adamant, you can risk it with this one from Nexus Mods.